When a product is very good and has amazing scent, people tend to buy more and buy again and come back for more. I made this amazing scented body cream, mukallat, Kullecha, white Kullecha, yeah, and people saw the way it came out in the picture and the video, and they ordered. Like, I got four more orders after making like more than 10 jars, so 14 jars. Like, and then it's not just in little quantity. I made it in 200 ml. Yeah, so you can imagine more than a liter. Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aisha Abba. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always staying with me. You guys are the best. Thank you for those of you that share my videos, for those of you that comment. I really appreciate it. I am so grateful. Thank you so much. So this is one amazing recipe which I so much love, and then a lot of people that want to make this or that make this mostly mix up this recipe. Yeah, you can add other amazing ingredients to this collector to give it a very nice and unique scent, but you need to make it real and you need to use good ingredients, because I've seen, yeah, on this channel somebody commented that after making her collector, the it exploded and then it didn't come out the way she wanted. I think that's what she said, it exploded. So I don't know what she did wrong, but if you use this recipe, you can never go wrong, because my students in my paid advanced class made theirs and it all came out amazing. It came out so nice. So when you use the ingredients I teach you to use, I show you, then you can never go wrong. It must come out amazing. If you are getting the ingredients from me, I will be sending you the ingredients that I use, the right ingredients, the authentic, the quality ingredients. You know, the market for Toronto and Baku is so saturated that we have a lot of people selling fake and not authentic Bakus and scent. So we have a lot of fake Bakus, fake collectors, and just low quality stuff in the market. So if you are a Bakur vendor, you make Toronto water, you make humras, just stay real, make quality products. People will come and patronize you if your product is amazing. Like, they'll come back, they'll come back for more, they'll come back for more, they'll come back for more, because they trust your product. So just stay real, just keep on giving quality, 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 quality. Yes, and your customers will always find you, because when you sell a quality product, people you sell a quality product, people will notice the quality, and even refer your customers will refer them to you. So just stay real, make amazing products. My students, please stay real. Just make quality. I know the market is saturated. You go to Instagram, the first thing you see sponsored ads of Water. There's this saying in Hausa, ba me wuce rabonsa. So your customers will always find you. Just make amazing items for them and keep on pushing, keep on posting, keep on posting, keep on advertising. Your customers will come. So this is another huge order for somebody who bought just 100 ml of Kullecha, just 100 ml of Kullecha, and then she ordered for 1 liter because of how amazing the scent came. I made two different types. Like, I made different types. Mostly what I do is, when you place an order for this, I make it in little batch. Like, I mostly make it in little batch. Then I made another one in a large batch, and now I'm making another one in a large batch. So my customer loved the little batch, and then she got for 1 liter. So that's what I'm trying to say. When you make amazing products, people will come back for more. And when they come back for more, they won't come back for just a little quantity. They will come back for more in large quantity. So Yeah, just use amazing items. For those of you that want to place an order, you can just send a DM to the number you see on the screen. I deliver worldwide. I have amazing, beautiful customers in US. Thank you so much for like patronizing me. UK, we send to everywhere. We have customers too in Dubai. We send everywhere. So just just send a DM. I can ship to you via DHL, via cargo, whichever one suits you or whichever one you prefer, I will send to you. So I made this ingredient. I made this this mukallat, this collector using ingredients I always mention here on my channel. Then I use amazing long lasting oil perfumes. Once you with collector, you need to use amazing strong concentrated oil perfumes, because if you don't use strong oil perfumes, my dear, it will not come out the way you want. And then this is something that we want to last for half a day or more on the body. So you need to make it with concentrated oil perfumes. These oil perfumes are available on sale. And then if you go to the market, you can get them. You can get in little quantity like the one you're seeing here on the screen, or you can get in this quantity. And then after making the collector, I added my signature scent. This is a scent I haven't shown in this channel, so it's amazing. This is it. This is how it comes. Just give it a very nice finishing touches by adding oil to the jar to just give it that fine aesthetic look. Yeah, so that it will just attract more customers, and you can top it up with more oil perfumes, because you know we are rubbing it on the body, so it needs to like last so long. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos, give this video a thumbs up, and uh send a DM, and I will definitely show you how I made this one. I have a lot of items on sale. I have amazing items on sale. Send a DM to place your order. See you in my next one. Bye.